Looking for fresh inspiration for your next getaway? Join me today as we explore Gardone Riviera, a refined lakeside jewel on Italy's Lake Garda. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through what to see, what to taste, how to unwind, and the kind of traveler who will fall in love with this peaceful yet vibrant town. Activities and atmosphere. Who will enjoy Gardone? Nestled on the western shore of Lake Garda, Gardone Riviera offers a relaxed yet sophisticated atmosphere, perfect for travelers seeking beauty and tranquility over big city hustle. This is a place to slow down and savor the moment. Imagine spending your morning wandering through lush gardens or exploring a historic villa, and your afternoon lounging by the water or cruising across the lake. Boat rides are a must here. Whether you hop on a ferry or hire a private boat, the sparkling waters will lead you to elegant Salò, picturesque Sirmione, or simply into the middle of the lake for panoramic views framed by gentle waves. For outdoor lovers, the surrounding hills and mountains offer scenic hiking trails, and in summer, you can swim in the lake or relax at small lidos with sunbeds and umbrellas. Gardone's mood is ideal for couples and honeymooners. There's romance in the air. Sunset aperitivos by the water, moonlit strolls along the promenade, and a pace of life that invites you to linger. Food, wine, and local flavors. Gardone Riviera may be small, but its cuisine is rich with the flavors of Lake Garda. Local olive oil is liquid gold here. The lake's unique microclimate produces some of Italy's northernmost olives, yielding a delicate extra virgin oil that enhances almost every dish. Fresh lake fish is a highlight. Grilled coragone drizzled with olive oil and lemon, or bigoli con le sarde del Garda, thick pasta tossed with lake sardines, garlic, and parsley, are local favorites. These often come with a side of creamy polenta, a nod to the region's rustic traditions. Another specialty is carne salata, thin slices of cured beef served raw with olive oil or lightly seared on the grill. And for dessert, the beloved torta di rose, a soft, buttery pastry rolled like a flower, is perfect with a coffee. Pair your meal with a crisp Lugana white or a pale Garda Classico Chiaretto Rosé for the full local experience. And of course, no summer day here is complete without artisan gelato, enjoyed while strolling the lakeside promenade. Things to see and explore. Begin your day with a gentle walk through the historic center, where narrow alleys open onto blooming facades and hidden courtyards, the perfect warm-up for the beauty ahead. Then, head to the iconic Vittoriale degli Italiani. Sprawling across 9 panoramic hectares, this extraordinary estate was the life's work of poet Gabriele D'Annunzio. Wander through the Prioria, his eclectic home. Discover the cruiser ship embedded into the hillside. Explore the gardens, the amphitheater, and the mausoleum that commands sweeping views of the lake. The mix of art, history, and theatricality makes it an unmissable experience. Just a short stroll uphill brings you to the André Heller Botanical Garden, a lush oasis where bamboo groves meet alpine flowers and where sculptures by artists like Keith Haring and Roy Lichtenstein blend seamlessly into the landscape. Afterwards, enjoy a leisurely walk along the Kur Promenade, Gardone's elegant lakeside walkway, perfect for people watching, sipping coffee at a waterfront cafe, and soaking in the serene atmosphere. Evenings and nightlife. As the sun sets, Gardone Riviera slips into an even more magical mood. Evenings here are for lakeside dining and unhurried moments beneath the stars. Many restaurants set tables outdoors, so you can enjoy dinner al fresco as the lights of fishing boats twinkle across the dark water. After your meal, stroll along the softly illuminated promenade, romantic, peaceful, and often accompanied by the gentle sounds of music drifting from hotel terraces. For those seeking something livelier, Torre San Marco stands out. This historic lakeside tower transforms on summer nights into a stylish piano bar and open-air nightclub. Here, you can sip cocktails, listen to live music, or dance under the night sky in an elegant, glamorous setting. Once a haunt of 20th century celebrities, it remains Gardone's most exclusive spot for a night out. If you prefer a quieter evening, simply enjoy a gelato on a bench by the lake, or relax in your hotel's lounge with a glass of local wine. And if you're in the mood for more variety, larger towns like Salò or Desenzano are just a short drive away, offering a broader selection of bars and clubs. But for many visitors, Gardone's mellow evenings are the real highlight, a time to unwind, reflect on the day's discoveries, and let the lake's gentle atmosphere work its magic. So there you have it, Gardone Riviera in summer, a charming blend of history, nature, and authentic Italian hospitality. From the grand halls of the Vittoriale to the blooming paths of the Heller Garden, from fresh lake-to-table flavors to lazy boat rides across crystal-clear waters, this town captures everything that makes Lake Garda unforgettable. Yet it remains peaceful and genuine, the kind of place where lasting memories are built on simple pleasures. A sunset over the lake, a shared bottle of local wine, the sound of water lapping at the shore. If you're dreaming of an idyllic lakeside escape, Gardone Riviera might just be your perfect match. We hope this tour has inspired you. If you enjoyed traveling with us, give this video a like and subscribe for more relaxed travel guides from beautiful places around the world. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ciao and happy travels.